Good afternoon, guys. So we are in Cave City, Kentucky. We're going to spend a couple days here. I don't want to show you where we're going to stay. We're going to be staying in a Wigwam. I'm super excited about it. So hang on. It's going to look like this. We gotta go find ours. I'm not really sure what number we're at. I think we're like number 3 or 4 or something. And they go on around. They have a playground for kids, and it just goes on and on and on. And they also have, they're going to do a fire tonight in the middle. So we're going to attend that. We're going to go get something to eat. So, this is mine and Red's. We're going to be here for a couple days. And this is the front. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is, we're going to open it up. This is this is the bed. It is very small, but it is a teepee. It's a wigwam. So turn the light on. There's the heat. Towels. There's a picture. It was here in 1937, so it's been here a long time. And it has a little antique table. Air conditioning. And there's a closet. So yeah, that's the wigwam, guys. So I'm going to post some more videos, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. So this is called Five Broke Girls Restaurant in Horse Cave, Kentucky.
So you're doing it good.
Okay, so Red got Coon Hunter's cake. I just got peanut butter pie. Chicken salad.
Been doing me. It's just a cold rain, only love can make the golden rain green. Here grow pleasant trees, happy thoughts run through her head, and she whispers low this green lovely way. Golden green, with one tiny little song, shining green. Now the last is down home by itself. It's just a golden kind of thing, only love can make the golden rain green. It's just a golden kind of thing, only love can make the golden rain green.
Okay, so that was our experience with 5 broke girls in Horse City, Kentucky. I had to get that out of my get that out. So if you guys are ever in Horse City, Kentucky, it's a nice little place to stop. The people are very, very friendly. The food was really good. The entertainment was great. So it's something you guys should do if you're ever in town or just passing through. Don't knock it until you try it. So we had a really good time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so behind our wigwam is an open field. I'm going to try to show it to you guys. I know it's dark, but there is a train, but there is lightning bugs all over the place. So hang on. Walk up here to this field, and I'm going to see if I can see them. Hang on. Woo. Hang on. Okay, so let's just watch and see if they show up. See them? There's... And I do need to correct what I said a while ago. It's not Horse City, it's Horse Cave, Kentucky, at the 5 Broke Girls. So they're just flying around you everywhere. And there went a shooting star. Did you guys see that? I hope I got all that. Look at the lightning bugs. Look at that. Alright, so this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow.